sa palitan ng mga mensahe, kilig na kilig ako. Kumusta, kain na, hello, magandang umaga. Ingat ka, pahinga, huwag kang masyadong magpupuyat pa. Naramdaman ng puso na dahan-dahan akong nahuhulog sa'yo. Sa kada araw natin na pag-uusap, meron nang namumuo. Ngunit di ko na alam kung anong patutunguhan. Ang hiling ko lang naman na itong naramdaman. Sana naman ay mapagbigyan na at nang mapakinggan ang tibok.
Kel, come on! Lift your heavy bat off the feet.
Nagpapapansin sa'yo, umabot sa palitan ng mga mensahe, kilig na kilig ako. Kumusta, kain na, hello, magandang umaga. Ingat ka, pahinga, huwag kang masyadong magpupuyat pa. Naramdaman ng puso na dahan-dahan akong nahuhulog sa'yo. Sa kada araw natin na
Excuse me. Let me have a look. Look, Kuya, I have a first aid kit here. Would you mind if I clean up your room? It might get infection.
sana naman ay mapagbigyan na at nang mapakinggan ang tibok ng puso kong sa'yo lang naramdaman ng tunay na kaligayahan. Sana naman mapagbigyan ng tibok ng puso. Ngunit biglang katahimikan, wala namang matanda. Nasaktan, bigla na lamang ika'y di nagparamdam. Ako ba'y pinagsawaan o may ginagawa lahat? Sabihin dahil di ko na alam kung anong patutunguhan. Ang hiling ko lang naman na itong naramdaman. Sana naman mapagbigyan ng tibok ng puso. Sana'y wag nang patagalin, aminin
William, what are you doing? You've been pacing the hallway back and forth. Where is your ticket?
Hindi na ako.
Go back to your classroom.
Thank you. Kiel, come on, we have practice. Oh, wait.
Dahil di ko na alam kung ano patutunguhan. Ang hiling
Got it. I really want to say it.
na itong naramdaman.
You have to submit this after the time. This is your result.
I hope this time there will be no more hindrance.
I like it.
Sana'y sabihin mo sa'kin kung meron mang pagtingin. Sana'y ikaw rin.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Kami at lunch.
Yes, bro.
Who is your friend there? Ma, it's my soda ko. Excuse me po, ma. You are courting my daughter?
Yes po.
Okay, I have a few tasks for you.
I'm willing to do anything.
Sana naman mapagbigyan ng tibok ng puso. Sana naman ay mapagbigyan at mapakinggan ang tibok ng puso kung sa'yo sana naman mapagbigyan ng tibok ng puso. Ang tibok ng puso. Ang tibok ng puso. Ngunit biglang katahimikan. Wala namang matandaan na nasabi baka sakaling ika'y aking nasaktan.
Mr. Bakumari, I'm so sorry, but your lab results say that you're diagnosed with pneumonia. You're diagnosed with pneumonia.
Ipagkatiwala ko sana sa'yo ang puso ko.
Everything is good.
You have to be fine. You have to live. Promise me.
Alamat lang ba ang pahinga ng dalawang puyat sa pira-piraso mga bugtong nagtatanong
Hey there, Kiel. It has been a while, has it not?
ay di
School's finally over and our vacation just started. I graduated with high honors. Would you believe it? Finally, all the stress is over with research and whatnot. We can have all the time for us. We'd go on dates, picnics, car rides, and many more. And Anything will do, really, long as you're here with me. Or we can play volleyball, your favorite sport. You promised you'd teach me how to play. I don't know how you can fulfill your promise. Remember when I treated you wounds because you scratched yourself for playing? From now on, you better take care of yourself. Stop being so careless. Well, at the time I was there to tend your needs and take care of your wounds. But now, I have no idea how to treat the wound you left me. I don't think antiseptic or anesthesia would work anyway. As unfair as that
Palagtasan na nagtatapatan
Johnny, let's get flowing.
Giliw kung pahintulutan mo ako, ang aking hangganan ay ipapamalas ko sa'yo.
So today class, we will discuss the chapter 1.
Go!